5 a.m. morning routine that will change your life. Life at 5 a.m., the world is quiet, but the most successful minds are already in motion. This video breaks down a powerful 5 a.m. morning routine that has helped countless high performers take control of their day before it even begins. From increased focus to unstoppable momentum, you will discover a system that can truly change your life. This isn't just a motivational pep talk. It's a science-backed strategy used by leaders, athletes, and entrepreneurs to prime their day for success before most people have even rolled out of bed. Waking up at 5 a.m. isn't about sacrifice, it's about leverage. Early risers gain access to the most distraction-free hours of the day. According to recent productivity studies, those who rise early demonstrate higher levels of focus, discipline, and cognitive clarity throughout the day. Fewer distractions, more intention, and a stronger mindset. That's the power of 5 a.m. This 5 a.m. morning routine is broken into 5 powerful phases. Each one is designed to boost energy, clarity, and purpose. 1. Wake up and move. Start with light stretching or a short walk. Hydrate with water, ideally with lemon. No screen time. Avoid checking the phone. 2. Mindset reset. 10 minutes of meditation or focused breathing, followed by 5 minutes of gratitude journaling. 3. Mental fuel. Read 10 to 15 pages of a growth-focused book or listen to an inspiring podcast episode. 4. Planning power. Review top priorities for the day. Time block essential tasks. Visualize success. 5. Optional exercise. Light strength training, cardio, or yoga. Bonus tips for those struggling to maintain consistency. Here are 3 tips to make the routine stick. 1. Sleep early. At least 7 hours to place the alarm across the room. 3. Prepare your water, clothes, and journal the night before. Winning the morning starts with how the night ends. To recap, wake up early, move, reset the mind, fuel the brain, and plan with intention. These simple habits, repeated daily, can unlock transformative results over time. Success doesn't start with motivation. It starts with structure. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start living with intention, challenge yourself to this 5 a.m. routine for just 7 days. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mindset and productivity videos. Right here on Elevate Daily. Till then, stay awesome.